of Dumaguete. This is the last stop for our nice trip this year. For a very nice vacation, which came one highlight after the others. Every day one more highlight. We started slow, but we ended sensational. Sensation after sensation. It's my nicest
I think-
person in the world.
So I think you will stop your job na and then you will become Hi. Maybe he's a tour guide. Stop, God sexy, stop. Stop if he will stop. He will stop. Go, go, go. Sexy, stop. Stop. He also stop. Go somewhere else, sige, if he wants to go with you. I think he wants to be your tour guide. Ay. Found a new friend. O, diba? Ang iro sig sunod-sunod. Oh, you found a new friend. He wants to be your tour guide. You must feed him. He also stops. So see why he likes you? There, on the side.
He's almost following this.
Doggy. Hi, doggy. He likes you more.
That's what I've done.
I don't. Sit down. He found you back. Oo. Sunod gihapon siya kay Eric. O, diba? Minamit na dog. Still following. Out from the Chinese restaurant, the dog is waiting here. When you were so afraid that he would wait for you, and he really waited for you. Why are you following us?
Friends.